My name is Arpita Singh and I am a FaxLab AI intern. Today I will be taking you through Notion AI, an AI powered workspace that helps organizations manage knowledge, collaborate efficiently, and improve productivity. So, Notion was founded in 2013 by Ivan Chow and Simon Last, and over the years it has evolved into one of the most popular productivity platforms. In 2023, Notion introduced Notion AI, bringing artificial intelligence directly into its workspace to users to help from uh, that helps users to write, summarize, organize information, and automate everyday tasks. Instead of switching between multiple applications, users can create documents, manage projects, build databases, and use AI assistants, all within a single platform. So now, let's explore its key features and see how it works in real corporate environment. It acts as a central workspace where organizations can manage documents, wikis, databases, and projects. It reduces manual work by helping users create content, organize information, and automate repetitive tasks. Let us see the key features of it. So, some of its key features include Notion AI Agent, which automates multi step tasks, enterprise search for quickly finding information across connected platforms. AI autofill for generating summaries and database entries. AI meeting notes for summarizing meetings. And support for multi AI models such as ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. So let's now look where organizations actually use. So let's now look at where organizations actually use Notion AI. So in HR teams, it is used to prepare onboarding documents and answer employee questions. In marketing teams, it generates campaign ideas and draft content. Project managers organize tasks and maintain project documentation. In customer support teams, it creates knowledge bases, while organizations use it to improve collaboration and knowledge sharing. So overall, Notion AI helps team to work faster while keeping information organized in one place. So now we will understand the that we have understood all the features. So let's see how Notion AI actually works in practice. This is Notion AI Workspace. So on the left panel, as there have the navigation menu where users can access their workspace, AI agents pages to to-do list and other documents and AI prompt box, and where users can simply type their requirements. So Notion AI can generate content creation presentations, summarize documents, perform research, and much more, all from a single workspace. So let's see in action with a practical corporate example. So first I will write the prompt. So the prompt is create an employee onboarding checklist for a software company. So let's send it. Now it's crafting, as you can see here. It will take some time. So as you can see, Notion AI has generated a structured like checklist within seconds. So this helps HR teams save time and maintain consistency across the onboarding process. As you can see, it has given before day one pre-boarding, day one what you have to do, then week one, week two, and four. Like for 90 days, it has given everything: manager checklist, buddy checklist, IT security checklist, optional remote and onboarding add ons. Everything it has given in a one go. So now, so let's tell it to summarize the following meeting notes into key discussions. So as you can see, instead of manually preparing meeting time like minutes, Notion AI automatically extracts the key decisions and action items, making collaboration faster and more efficient. So, as you can see, it has summarizes it, and this is the like the practical example shows how Notion AI helps organizations automate documentation, improving collaboration, and increase productivity. So, based on the demonstration, we can see that Notion AI generates well structured content, summarizes information, and organizes knowledge efficiently. Whereas for business, this leads to faster documentation, improved collaboration, reduced manual effort, and better knowledge sharing and increased productive employee productivity. Finally, let's discuss the advantages and limitations. So, the advantages: Notion AI saves time, improves collaborations, increases productivity, and makes knowledge management much easier. Limitations: like any AI tool, the generated content should always be reviewed for accuracy. Some advanced AI capabilities are also available only with paid plans, where the pricing Notion AI offers like free access with limited features, while advanced AI capabilities are available through paid plans suitable for professional and organizations. And the future potential here, as businesses continue adopting AI powered workspaces, Notion AI is expected to become an even more intelligent platform for collaboration, automation, and enterprise knowledge management. So that concludes my presentation on Notion AI. Thank you for your time and attention.